We're sitting in front of this house that was built in 1907. So this, before we purchased this property, it was owned by 3 generations of the Davis family. From 1906, they started clearing this land, building these buildings. They were farming. Ultimately, it was tobacco and cattle that they were farming. But there was a long history of one family just tending this land, and so we feel really, really grateful to be able to have taken that over. The last generation are buried up there in the little graveyard. We are in relationship with some of their relatives who come over and visit, and so that feels really special to us, is that we can honor those land ancestors that were here before us and tended this land, and it's in such good shape, and a lot of the animals that we have were theirs. So to be able to take that over and continue this sort of tradition in this area of small-scale family farming is really important to us.